So guys, what's up? Action Gaming here. So we're here to predict the game between the Oklahoma City Thunder versus the Denver Nuggets. So ayan, malinaw ba? So from now on, I'm gonna speak in English so that everyone can understand me. My viewers from other country can understand me. So ayan, let's go. Nuggets 41 wins, 22 loss, second on the West, while the Thunder have 52 wins, 11 loss, second in the West. Oh no, sorry, it's first on the West, so I didn't edit it. When Saturday, March 9 at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 1 a.m. March 10 in Manila, where Paycom Center in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. So the home court advantage will go to the Oklahoma City Thunder with this game. So the spread, Nuggets plus 7.5, Thunder minus 7.5, over and under 240. So health and availability, injuries for the Nuggets, Darren Holmes out, Julian Strother out, Nikola Jokic probable, Aaron Gordon probable though. So I hope they could play so that this battle will be very good. This matchup will be very good for Jokic and SGA. Both are candidate for MVP. So for the Thunder, Nikola Topic out, AJ Mitchell out. So that's the injury report and health and availability. So let's go for some helpful facts. So Denver Nugget made it back-to-back win after 149-141 home success over the Phoenix Suns at Ball Arena. So Oklahoma City Thunder were winners for the sixth straight time in their last game. The last head-to-head saw the Nuggets claim 124-122 win over the Thunder at Ball Arena. The head-to-head over the past 10 games have seen 5 wins for both teams. The Nuggets have 7 wins and 3 losses in the past 10 games, while the Thunder have 8 and lost 2 of their last 10 contests. So ayan guys, we can see that both teams have their good at are their momentum. Both teams are balling very good, so playing very good. So what can we ask for? So this this matchup. So for me, Nuggets plus 7.5. I had a feeling that Nikola Jokic will be dominant in this game. He will prove that he is the MVP and still reigning MVP. So for me, Nuggets plus 7.5 plus the addition of Murray, that Jamal Murray is shooting very good. So and another thing is Russell Westbrook. I think he know the rotation of the OKC Thunder. Last game with the Thunder. I think he got it and they won. So for me, Nuggets plus 7.5. I have the feeling that Nuggets will can cover the spread and that Nuggets will make it very competitive. So for me, Nuggets plus 7.5. So for those of you who are betting, please bet in moderation. uh, Please priority your bills, priority your family bills before have making a big bet. So that's all guys. For those of you who like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated every time that I will make the video like this. Go guys, thank you guys, I'm out.